How's it going, students? Let's take a look at how to make a chart with our first graph. So first thing you're going to need to do is edit the data. So make sure you put in the correct data. So in this example, only one student is born in March, 5 students are born in the month of April, etc. So first thing we're going to want to do is click the month, and then we click again, and then we drag. Okay, so once again, we click January, click again, and then drag. Now, if you're doing this on the trackpad, you're going to have to click January, and then you're going to hold with your left hand, and then drag across. Okay, so I'm going to do that here, and then I'm going to go up to Insert, and then go down to Charts. Okay, now sometimes it's going to give us the correct chart type. In this instance, it did. It gave me a column chart. Now, if it doesn't give you the right graph, all we have to do is click there, and there's a whole bunch of suggestions here. So you see these right there? That is going to be a pie chart. That is going to be something we need for the next graph. But for this one, we actually have the correct one, which is the column chart. All right, so once you are good there, you just scroll down to the next one, and you'll work on that one.